all YouTubers. We are on the mountain at Disneyland and it's raining. So this is gonna be pretty fun. Actually, YouTubers, that's the mechanism for the laptop.
For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and
Now,
legs inside.
we're on the runway 9.
It just started.
This here's the wildest ride.
You just started the video. Oh, you didn't start.
No, I did. I was started way back there.
Oh yeah, okay. So we should be okay, I think we need to Here we Try to spot the goat with the dynamite! Okay. And I think there might be a hidden Mickey up there. Here, I mean. Is this the guy? No, this is not. Here we go! There's that guy. The gravitational pull does not have enough to keep us down. That's why he floats. Oh, we got
one more.
Yeah, YouTubers, the reason why you feel like you're floating is because the gravitational pull isn't fast enough to keep us down. That's why you feel like you're floating. That was extremely fun.
Oh.
We got this way. That was the Thunder Mountain. My hands are absolutely freezing because of the speed. I felt the forces. That was really fun. Okay, YouTubers, the ride is 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Oh my. I'll be right with you to say okay, so that was wildest ride in the wildest ride in the wilderness. And that was very fun.
It was. That was amazing.
We're just exiting the ride, so bye all YouTubers. See you in the next video that I have to make ahead.